Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to record Google Meet video call. Now you need to know that if you want to make it in a free way without buying any plans on Google, you should download OBS, and I will leave its link down below in the description. Once you download OBS, you should make sure that it is running properly. So simply click on this plus sign, add the display capture, and make sure that these two options or these two audios are recording. As you can see here, I have this wave, and this wave is for my own voice that is recorded from my external microphone. And this one right here, it will capture all the desktop audio that you have. Now, if you want to add your microphone, simply click on settings, then go to audio, then click on mic auxiliary audio and choose your microphone, click on apply, then click on OK. And by this way, you add your microphone. Now, if you want to record all the voices in the meeting, including your voice and the other's voice, you should make sure that this option right here is turned on. So if you have it just like so, this means that it will not actually record the voices of other participants. So make sure that you toggle this on. Once you start opening the OBS, you should click on start recording here. Then now you should go and open a meeting on Google. So here I have Google Meet. I can simply click on these Google apps, then go and click on Google Meet. Then it will redirect me to this page. Click on new meeting, start an instant meeting. And now you have your meeting. Just make sure that you select your microphone and you have permission to use the microphone, and make sure that all the participants are using their microphones properly. Now let's say that you want to save the video that you have recorded. Simply click on stop recording, then go to settings, go to output, go to recording, and here you can find recording path. It will show exactly where did you save the video that you have captured. So simply click on browse, then it will redirect you to this page where you can find the video just right here. Now that was the first method. The second method is to simply, after opening the Google Meet and launching the meeting, you can click on these meeting tools on the bottom right side. Then you will have to choose recording. After that, here it will show you this page. You can simply click on learn more and now click on get started, but you will need to start a free trial in order to try this feature, or simply save 10% for first 12 months. And this is the second paid option. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.